Welcome to this quick guide on enabling SMS notifications for comments on the Facebook app using the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop and get text alerts whenever someone comments, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you set up in minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. You'll start at your newsfeed, ready to navigate to your profile settings. Next, tap your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your personal profile and access to account options. From here, look for the menu labeled Settings and Privacy and tap it to reveal more choices. In the expanded menu, select Settings. You'll be brought to a broad set of preferences that control how Facebook behaves for you. Scroll through until you find Notifications and tap that to customize how you're alerted. Inside Notifications, you'll see several categories for different activities. Look for comments in the list of notification types. Tap or select comments to view its specific options. This section controls how you're notified about new comments on your posts and possibly comments on posts you're involved with. Within the comment settings, you'll find various notification methods. Locate the option for SMS and switch it on or enable it. SMS notifications will send a text message to your registered phone number whenever there's a new comment that matches the criteria you've set, so you won't miss engagement even if you're not actively using Facebook. After enabling SMS, it's a good idea to review any associated preferences. You might be able to tailor which kinds of comments trigger alerts, such as comments on your own post or comments on posts you've participated in. Adjust these to fit your routine so you only receive the most relevant updates. Finally, exit the menus and test the setup by having someone comment on a post you're connected to, or by asking a friend to simulate a comment. If you receive the SMS, you're all set. If not, recheck the path. Settings and Privacy, Settings, Notifications, Comments, and SMS to ensure the toggle is active and the phone number on file is correct. With these steps, you'll stay in the loop with all the conversations that matter right from your phone's messages.